Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In today's video, we will be creating this lovely drip effect here. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel. That will be awesome. So let's get started. So we have the picture of the model here. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to duplicate this layer by clicking on Ctrl or Command J. Then I'll go ahead and create a solid color layer by going down here and selecting my solid color adjustment layer. I want to go with the white over here, so I'll click. Then I'll go back to the copy. I'll name it the model. So I'll go to the model layer. I want to select the model out of the background. So today I'll be using the object selection tool, this one right here, to select the model. I'll just create like a square around my subject, which is the model, and Photoshop is going to select the model. Okay, so as we see, we don't really have a perfect selection, but I can go ahead to just adjust that. I'll zoom in and then I'll hold on my Alt or Option keyboard. As you see, if I hold on my Alt or Option key, the square in this cross sign here is going to change into minus. If I hold on my Shift, it's going to be plus. That is if I want to add to the selection. I'll just hold on my Shift key. But if I want to take out of the selection, I'll hold on my Alt or Option key, and then I'll just drag it over where I don't want the selection to be. So now that I have a good selection, I'll go ahead and click on my layer mask here and add the layer mask to the model. Then I'll go ahead and bring in my drip effect. From here, I'll unlock this and then I'll click on my move tool right here and drag it inside the model. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I will change this from normal. I'm going to change it to lighting. Okay, then I'll go ahead and adjust it to where I want it to be on the model. Okay, I think this is looking good. You can also transform it by clicking Ctrl Command D to either change how it is. Maybe you want to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. I'll just click enter. Then I'll go ahead and bring in the splash effect here. Okay, then I'll drag it and drop it inside like so. And this is very small. So what I'll do is I'll click on Command T and then I'll make it very big like so. Click enter. Then I want it behind the model layer. I'll go ahead and drag it under the model layer. I can still move it around and adjust it to wherever I want it, and I can also rotate it if I want. So as you see here, the color doesn't really match and the color of the splash here looks so dull. So the next thing I would do here is I'm going to make this color splash here brighter. And then to make these colors here right, I'll go ahead and change this from normal to, I'll just choose hard light. Okay, so the colors are brighter and then the colors here rhyme with the background color. So this is it. This is how easy it is to create something like this, and I hope with this video you're able to create more fun stuffs for yourself as well. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and subscribe if you've not done so. Thank you so much, and see you on my next video. Bye for now.